A poem by me, Persian Lilac. I don't have a night jasmine whose fragrant whiff majestically when fills one's heart with a scent of bliss. For urban talks and pleasures seek, hence captures one to ecstasy. But there in my house is a Persian lilac. But there in my house is a Persian lilac for comfort, shade, and remedy. In summers, fills resplendently with blossoming flowers like a cherry tree. No less it shines like the night jasmine. No less it shines like the night jasmine, shed its subtle fragrance silently. Once again, Persian lilac. I don't have a night jasmine whose fragrant whiff majestically when fills one's heart with the scent of bliss. For urban talks and pleasures seek, hence captures one to ecstasy. But there in my house is a Persian lilac for comfort, shade, and remedy.